New makeup rules! Let's do lip makeup with M&Ms and paint nails with Nutella. Then, we are going to eat makeup brushes and put all of your cosmetics into an Oreo makeup bag. Watch new awesome makeup ideas in our video. I've been dreaming of getting this cupcake for the whole day. No fear of extra calories can stop me now. I already imagine how I bite it off, but my friend interferes into my plans. She offers me an attractive EOS cupcake instead of my real edible one. Cut a hole in an EOS bomb so that it looks like the bottom of a cupcake. Mix granulated beeswax and castor oil. Add some brown food coloring. Melt it in a microwave and pour it into the hole. Put it in a fridge. When hardened, smooth out the top layer. Cut a hole for the top of the cupcake. Melt the same mixture but adding a different food coloring. Pour it into the hole and even it out. Make a cherry on the topping in the same way. Add some details using an awl. Draw a cherry stem with black eyeliner. I have a dilemma. The sweet cupcake tempts me, but my heart wants the EOS. It is impossible to resist this creative lip balm. I agree to swap with my friend. I get the lovely EOS, and Blondie gets what she wants. Now, she has a delicious dessert. Redhead has a whole nail fair. There are all kinds of nail polishes here. Choose whatever you want. Would you like your nails pink, red, or green? But Nutella nail polish is the jewel in the crown. We will need brown nail polish. Cut out a small Nutella label. Attach it to the nail polish using double-sided tape. I have never done my nails with chocolate spread. Redhead helps me do my nails. It's so entertaining. Now, my fingers will be sweet. My friend is looking at me, smiling happily. No wonder, because she looks fabulous today. She has some wow lip makeup on. You have no reason to get bored if you have M&Ms. We will do awesome lip makeup. Color your entire upper lip white using a makeup pencil. There is a whole range of rainbow colors in our palette. Pick out bright eyeshadow of the M&M's candy colors. Apply colored spots shaping the candies. Color the entire upper lip with the bright M&M's. Define the outlines using black eyeliner. Paint an M letter on each candy using white stage makeup. Cover the bottom lip with dark red liquid lipstick. Amazing! My friend's makeup is so sweet. I would love to have this kind of makeup too. She should have eaten a lot of candies. But it doesn't matter how many candies I eat, my lips are still pale. She disappoints me. These are regular candies, and she didn't do this makeup all by herself. But I've got something better. It is an M&M's shaped EOS. Melt coconut oil, chocolate, and Vaseline in a double boiler. Stir. Pour the chocolate mixture into an EOS cap. Screw on the grid and add some more lip balm. Put it into the fridge. When the EOS hardens, wrap the container in yellow salt modeling dough. Smooth it out with water and cut it near the container cap. Cut an M letter out of a white foam rubber sheet using a template and attach it to the EOS. I open my Maxi M&M's candy. There is a chocolate EOS filling in it. My friend is fascinated because this is way better than her real candies. It looks and tastes like regular chocolate, and it matches her bright lip makeup too. Choose what's more delicious, sweet M&Ms or sweet EOS with a yellow glaze. What to order? I want something unusual. Tea? No, it's boring. Coffee?